Welcome to today's video. I'll show you how to grow corn in a greenhouse, a simple method that delivers excellent results and high yields. Let's get started. Here is the result of months of hard work. Golden corn, full and firm. Harvesting is more than just labor. It's the farmer's joy in witnessing the fruits of their dedication. Before each planting season, the soil is carefully prepared. A potting mix made from fertile soil and cocoa peat is created to provide the ideal environment for seeds to sprout. Cocoa peat, known for its water retention and aeration, plays a key role in nurturing healthy, uniform growth. High-quality corn seeds are meticulously selected and sown one by one into seed trays. The dark red seeds are gently covered with a thin layer of soil, creating the perfect conditions for them to germinate and begin their journey toward becoming robust plants. Inside the greenhouse, the seed trays are arranged carefully. Temperature, light, and humidity are tightly controlled to ensure every tray receives the ideal conditions for growth. A modern misting system is used to water the young corn plants. The mist evenly distributes water, ensuring the plants receive the right amount, neither too much nor too little, creating an optimal environment for development. In just a few days, the corn seeds sprout, emerging as tender green plants. Each young seedling is a testament to the vitality of nature and the meticulous care of the farmer. After the previous harvest, the land is cleared and rejuvenated. Tilling loosens the soil, making it airy and fertile for the next crop. This marks the beginning of a promising new planting season. To retain moisture and suppress weeds, a layer of straw is spread evenly across the soil. This acts as a protective shield, maintaining ideal conditions for the young corn plants during their early growth stages. The young corn plants, with their robust root systems, are carefully removed from the seed trays. Farmers diligently plant each seedling into the prepared field, ensuring adequate spacing for optimal growth. After 20 days, the corn plants show remarkable growth. With green leaves and sturdy stems, they are watered regularly to support their rapid development. This phase is critical as the plants transition from seedlings to robust crop. To ensure the corn receives sufficient nutrients, fertilizers like Fonska and urea are applied around the roots. Farmers also inspect the leaves and stalks for harmful insects, using effective pest control measures to maintain the crop's health. After 65 days, the corn plants reach a crucial stage, producing tassels and forming ears. This signifies that the plants are fully matured and heading toward a successful harvest. On harvest day, golden ears of corn are carefully picked by hand. The ears are sorted and loaded into plastic baskets, ready to be transported. This moment marks the culmination of months of effort and dedication, rewarding the farmer with a bountiful yield. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you learn more about growing corn. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video.